Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So yeah, this is basically a Golf 4 that I bought. The reason for buying it is basically just to fix it up a bit, sell it, make a bit of profit on it. It ended up being much more work than I anticipated. So yeah, wheel bearings was gone, had to replace the hubs, wheel bearings. Found out the turbo was clogged up, catalytic converter was blocked up. Had to basically clean out the kit, clean out the turbo. Then I found out, as you can see, the wiring was burned in the car right through to the dash. Had to take everything out, clean that up. But yeah, at the end of the day, it was successful. That managed to flip it, make a bit of cash on it. That cleaned it up quite nicely. Don't have any pictures of that. But yeah, I hope you guys like this kind of content, these kind of videos. And yeah, please like and subscribe. I do appreciate it. And yeah, I'll yeah, keep you guys up to date. Golf4 chippy for its riding condition.